Hello! I'm making scallop gratin. In a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, a pinch of cayenne, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 cup of white wine. Whisk until the mixture becomes bubbly. Add 8 scallops. Mix until the scallops are coated. Set aside for 5 minutes. Put 2 small containers on a pan. Brush the sides with 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 4 scallops to each bowl. Pour some sauce over the scallops for extra flavor. For the toppings, add green onion, grated Parmesan, and a sprinkle of butter. This helps the top brown. Bake at 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius for 6 minutes, and then switch the oven to broil until the top is browned. The top layer becomes crunchy, which is a great addition to the astonishing flavor of the scallops.